lovelies, welcome back to another video. We will be getting to the organizing under the kitchen sink here in a little bit, but first I just wanted to let you guys know that Super Clean has been nice enough to do a giveaway. So one lucky winner will win a couple of Super Clean products. So just wanted to let you know that you do have to live in the US to be able to win this giveaway, but just wanted to let you know some of the rules that you just have to be subscribed to my channel, and also just add me onto Instagram, and then just comment down below in the video what is your favorite part about cleaning. Like for instance, do you like doing the dishes? Like for me, like my favorite part of cleaning is vacuuming. I love vacuuming. I could do that all day. Which is good, since we have so many pets, I have to vacuum anyways, so there's always a plus. But yeah, you just have to do those three things. Just subscribe to my channel, add me on Instagram, and comment down below what is your favorite part about cleaning. But now I'm going to show you the products that one lucky winner will win. And also this giveaway will be going on for 2 weeks. So on September 25th, I will announce the winner. But yeah, let me show you what one lucky winner will be getting. So one lucky winner will be getting a original bottle of Super Clean. So that would be this one here. And then you will also be getting one can of the Super Clean aerosol, which is this one here. But yeah, like I said, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment down below what is your favorite part about cleaning, and then also just add me onto Instagram. And with that, let's get back to organizing under the kitchen sink. Hello lovelies, welcome back to another episode. So today I'm going to be organizing under the kitchen sink because I did this video a while back, but since then my kitchen sink, or the underneath area of my kitchen sink, has gotten out of control. So I've definitely been wanting to clean under there for a while. So finally took the time today to go and clean and organize under my kitchen sink, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like here in a moment. But here is what under the kitchen sink looks like. As you can tell, it's a disaster. There's just stuff everywhere. I have a ton of cleaning supplies under here. So I'm gonna go through there, see what needs to be just thrown out, because I'm sure there's some things in there that are just empty that I've just left. And yeah, just try to put this thing back in shape. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you're also wanting to organize under your sink, maybe you'll watch this video while you organize your sink with me. But yeah, and if this is your first time here, I hope you hit that subscribe button down below, and I hope you join my little YouTube family. I would love for you to, join my family. And with that, let's get on into organizing this mess. So first off, I'm just going to be starting by taking everything out from underneath the sink. That way I can go through and see what just needs to be thrown out, see what needs to be moved elsewhere, and yeah, just to get a good look of what is going on under the sink, so I can try to reorganize everything.
He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories, yeah. We hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say, now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass, cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack.
will not come to realize, but I've known that I have way too many cleaning supplies, but I actually do use a lot of these and I just can't get rid of them yet. Plus, you know, I got like multiple, so I don't have to, you know, go into the store and, you know, keep buying more. Like, I'll have stuff to last me a little bit. But I think what I eventually want to do is, there is a shelving unit in our garage, and once I get our garage all cleaned out, I kind of want to put like my extra cleaning supplies in there. But for now, I just gotta try to fit it all under my sink. And this is what my sink looks like now. It's not exactly how I would like it, but at least it looks a little bit more organized than what it was. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys!